Welcome to English Vocabulary OPD channel.
Words about the story of the laboratory. Part 1. Adventure. Adventure. An adventure is a fun or exciting thing that you do. Riding in the rough water was an adventure. Approach. Approach. To approach something means to move close to it. The boy approached his school. Carefully. Carefully. Carefully means with great attention, especially to detail or safety. The baby carefully climbed down the stairs. Chemical. Chemical. A chemical is something that scientists use in chemistry. The scientist mixed the chemicals. Create. Create. To create means to make something new. She created an igloo from blocks of snow. Evil. Evil. Evil describes something or someone bad or cruel, not good. The evil figure scared us all. Experiment. Experiment. An experiment is a test that you do to see what will happen. The student did an experiment in science class. Kill, kill. To kill someone or something is make them die. I killed the fly with a fly swatter. Laboratory, laboratory. A laboratory is a room where a scientist works. My mother works in a laboratory. Laugh, laugh. Laugh is the sound made when someone is happy or a funny thing occurs. The sound of their laugh filled the room. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.